Now, with this, we will enter into the first process. Listen with integrity and completion with you. Only now relationship with you starts. Only after completing you can enter into you and start working with you. Now only I can help you to work on you. If there are incompletions with you, by you, even I cannot guide you inside you to work with you. Now we will start working with you. First thing, as I said, fear. What is fear? All the fear, please listen once more. Fear is not absence of a thought. Fear is not a thought. Fear is not absence of an emotion. Fear is not an emotion. Fear is just absence of your consciousness. Absence of your consciousness. Fear is absence of your consciousness. Ultimately, all fears comes out of your inauthenticity. Listen. When you feel something you have can be lost, and you are not ready to face the loss, fear starts. It can be as simple as little money you have in your purse to your life itself. Listen. When something can be lost and you can't face the loss, you feel you can't face the loss. It is your inauthenticity with your life. Inauthenticity with your life is the source of all fears. The fear of losing few dollar bills in your purse, to fear of losing your life. Everything is just because of you not coming to terms with the truth of anything is, will be at some time not. Listen. Anything is now, at some day will become non-existence, will not be there. When you are not ready to face the reality, when you are not authentic enough to face the life, happens inauthenticity. Look into your life. Now, I want you to internalize all layers and layers of inauthenticity, fears in you. Look into your life and list down all the fears you have had and are still having in your life. Look into your life and list down. Internalizing means analyzing for the purpose of internalizing. Please listen I'll read out now. Look into your life and list down all the fears you have had and are still having in your life. For example, fear of loss of health, loss of wealth, loss of name and fame, loss of love of people around you, fear of ghosts, fear of God. Please note that this includes both your own direct experience of these fears and or your experience when you observed others going through these fears in their life. Identify the out of integrity and inauthentic thoughts, words, actions that exist in each of these aspects. Write the earliest concepts, all your childhood memories and beliefs you received about death in your life. You may have received these ideas from your parents, teachers, relatives, church, temple, etc. Describe your experience when for the first time in your life you face the death of someone close to you. Make a list of the top 3 people who are currently alive in your life and whom you never want to die. Describe the impact their death will have on you. Examine and identify the various out of integrity and inauthentic thoughts, words, and actions that exist in your relationship with each one of them. Please answer these questions. Then I'll help you to face your major fears, inauthenticities, ultimately death fear itself. We'll gather for next session so that we will experience the process of death, going through the fear of death. So let's gather for next session. Thank you.